Okay, so we have finally been allowed into our room, so I'm going to give you a room tour. So we are in the yacht club. We are in an interior cabin, and we have 16035. So let's get into this. I'm going to use my snazzy bracelet here. We're going to tap, light turning screen, and in we go. So to keep the lights on, I'm going to put our card in here. So we have the buttons here for make up the room and do not disturb and general light as soon as you walk in the door. There's also the bathroom. Behind the main door is your general information. We have some hooks. We have a full mirror. We have our AC lights. Being we're standing here, let's get into the bathroom. We have 2 hooks on the door. All right, we have some beautiful towels with some nice Yacht Club logos on them. So I will say this bathroom space is a bit smaller than I expected, considering we're in a suite. But we do have the nice amenities. We have the shampoo, the conditioner, body lotion, body wash, cream soaps, 2 of those. We have 2 shower caps, some nice fun glasses here. And this is the men's shave thing here. We have toilet paper, tissues, trash can. We have a nice mirror here, and I'm gonna say this shower hole situation looks a bit small. We do have the overhead shower rainfall. We have the line. We have a tray. We do have shower gel and shampoo. We have an adjustable wand, a rail to hold on to, the drain. Unfortunately, no footrest. I'm really disappointed, MSC Yacht Club. I should have a footrest so I can shave in the shower without struggles. All right, so beyond that, we'll go back out of the bathroom here. And back up here we have the closet. So if we open this side, we have the safe, multiple shelves, drawers, drawer. Oh, that's not a drawer. Psych. We'll open up this side, and we have 2 really nice robes, slippers, and hangers. So not the biggest closet I've ever seen. We have a TV, we have menus, mini bar, we have a little snacky snacks and mixed nuts, coffee, some fancy water, this mini bar here. And just so you know, we did do the online before you get here. What would you prefer in your mini bar? This is not what we selected for in our mini bar. So let me just show you anyway. This is what's in here. Very basic. The only alcohol is the Heineken, and neither me or my husband would have picked that, so I don't even know if it's worth doing the online thing. Here at the desk, we have on and on light switch. We have our notepad, controller, the daily program, 2 regular US outlets, 2 USBs, 2 European outlets. This, we've already read this, and this was just a fancy welcome aboard letter. We have the room service, scan me for food menu, pizza delivery, and mini bar. We have our phone. We have another mirror. We have some fun artwork, nice bed. Let's get next to the beds here. We do have some shelving here. We have a USB, lights on and off, lights here. That's this one here, and that there. This is squishy, padded, so you don't have to worry about bonking your head. Now, again, we did do the online pre-check-in, and we had requested certain pillows. These are not the pillows we requested. So, in my opinion, what's the point of doing it if we're not even going to get what we request? But we shall see. We shall see. We met our butler. His name is Glenn. He is super sweet. So hopefully we can get all of this worked out. But for the rest of the room tour, let me show you here. I love this. I'm not sure what kind of sea life that is, but it is gorgeous. And on the other side of the bed, we have the tray, just the on and off switch for here. And then we have a table we can move around. We have 2 chairs. And overall, I would say this room is very spacious. I'm looking forward to staying in it for the week and giving you the full deets on how we felt about the room. I am already concerned about the amount of storage for me and my husband, because I know what we packed and I'm seeing what's available for storage in this room, and I am concerned. And as I'm looking, I think, let's see here, I think there might be a drawer here. Aha, there is a drawer here, laundry service and a hair dryer. So that was added, and that is all. So that's the entirety of the room. I will update you as the week goes along, but full room tour, 16035 Yacht Club. Hey guys, this is Mindy from After the Cruise, but I wanted to give you a few little titty bit things about the room. So the TV works, there are some basic free channels. However, any of the movies, and not even super new movies, are $10 each. That's a lot. Needless to say, we did not buy any movies to watch while we were on the ship, but the also good news is that we really weren't bored at any point to really need to watch a movie. So with the few issues on embarkation day, with the stuff that we had requested for the mini bar and the pillow selection, our butler was able to get those things kind of squared away after the first initial day. Like, he brought us the pillows that night, and then the whole like mini bar thing was just a thing. So we were finally given our complimentary bottle of alcohol, and we did end up bringing that home. So we did get it. It was like end of the first day, I think, something like that. And we didn't get the chocolate bar because the whole ship was out. Sad face. And outside of that, the room was pretty comfortable. It was some of the best AC on a cabin on a cruise ship that I have ever experienced. So that was lovely. I actually got a little chilly. I actually needed the cover. So what do you know? The bed was super comfy. It had that nice pad on it. It is still a twin bed that is pushed together to make the full-size bed. And the shower situation. So I'm not the biggest person in the world. I'm also not the smallest person in the world. I'd say I'm about average. I'm about 5'9", and on the cruise when I started, I was like 210. And in order to like scrub myself, I was like all up against the walls, and to shave was a challenge. Sometimes I'd open the door, sometimes I wouldn't. It was a bit of a pain. Not the best shower. However, I will say that some of the other yacht club rooms have much bigger showers. And so I'm guessing because ours was the cheapest way to get in to the yacht club, we got the tiniest shower. The sink was good and deep. I could stick my whole head in there because I rinse my hair in the morning to style it. So that was kind of nice. The water gets super hot. The water pressure was really good. I can't think of anything else I want to tell you about the room, but if you have any questions, drop me one in the comment box below and I will get right back to you. And so Please like and subscribe. I've got my full review coming up. I've got all the vlogs from all the days coming up, and you're not gonna wanna miss it. There was some great footage I got on this cruise. You're gonna love it. It's gonna be a great time. And until the next time, guys, shake a tail feather.